Hey, what's going on, guys? So we did see the Supreme Court block Trump's tariffs, and I'm not understanding something. We're in the United States of America. Tariffs bring more money to our country. Other countries have no issue, hitting us hard with taxes or whatever it is, tariffs, whatever it may be. Why are we going against our own best interests? It's like you're trying to attack the captain of the plane that we're all flying on. It's okay not to like him. It's okay not to like the captain, but don't attack them to the point where the plane goes down that we're actually riding on. I don't understand that type of thinking. Tariffs bring more money and it also gives incentives to have more things made in the United States, which what brings jobs over here for United States citizens. I'm not understanding why are we doing this. It's okay not to like the guy, but man, we're all in the United States together. So don't block anything that's going to bring more money to us to make things potentially better for us in this country. You don't see any other country doing that. And I was very surprised at the Supreme Court for what they did. But let's take a look at what Stephen Miller has to say about actually what happened.
Justice Thomas said so brilliantly and eloquently, the language of the statute is clear. Under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, the president has the authority to regulate foreign trade. And going back to the founding of our country, the term regulate has always meant and included the power to levy duties. But here's the good news, Laura. As cowardly, as horrendous as the Supreme Court ruling was, as poorly as it reflects on John Roberts' court and the continued torturing of our statutes and our Constitution, here's the good news. The court also affirmed the president has the authority under Section 301, Section 232, Section 122, Section 338, and many other provisions of federal law that the president can levy tariffs on foreign nations. So his program will not only be fully reconstituted, but it will be expanded. And one more point, Laura. The Supreme Court also affirmed that under IEEPA, the president has authority to restrict, impede, deny, license, or even fully embargo any foreign trade. So the net result of all this is we're going to keep and grow the tariffs to bring back American manufacturing, which keeps prices low by incentivizing products to be made here in America. But it also means that President Trump has even more tools when it comes to dealing with foreign countries that undermine our security.
Yeah, I mean, certainly.
You see that? You guys heard it for yourself. Bring back more jobs over here, and you want things made over in the United States. I don't know if you guys are aware, but a lot of our medications are made in other countries as well. A lot of our medications are made in China. Don't you want that made over here in the United States? Bring those jobs back over here. I'm just not understanding all the blocking. I don't understand that. Even the stuff with the whole ICE thing, fighting against ICE and stuff, going against law enforcement that's local. You're going against our local law enforcement, our government. You live here as well. You don't have to like the guy. But if something's going to be the best interest for the country as a whole and bring jobs back, makes prices lower for American citizens, why try to stop that? Just not understanding that type of thinking, for U.S. citizens. And then Gavin Newsom, the governor of California, can you imagine that? He's saying the money should be returned. Are you kidding me? A sitting governor in this country is saying the money we got should be returned. Wow, it's like our worst enemies are within this country. That's insane. Gavin Newsom saying the money should be given back. I don't know, guys, but you let me know your thoughts. And on the Supreme Court ruling, do you think they made the right decision? Even though we know Trump did override that and things are going to move forward, as you just heard. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.